The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes promises an exhilarating experience that will keep you on the edge of your seat until the very last scene. Set 64 years before the original Hunger Games franchise, the prequel film unfolds the story of a young Coriolanus Snow, chosen as a mentor in the 10th annual Hunger Games, paired with District 12 tribute Lucy Gray-Baird. As the narrative unfolds, Snow embarks on a journey of self-discovery, wrestling with his evolving feelings for Lucy Gray and the insatiable hunger for power. The film intricately navigates the thin line between good and evil, ultimately culminating in Snow's transformation into the villainous President Snow we recognize from the original trilogy. While the fate of Snow is well known to Hunger Games fans, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes introduces open-ended destinies for some characters. In anticipation of the film's release, director Francis Lawrence and producer Nina Jacobson share insights into the mysterious ending, delving into the fate of notable characters and hinting at the potential for a future sequel. Major spoilers lie ahead as the plot unfolds. Lucy Gray's victory in the 10th Hunger Games leads to her return to District 12, while Snow is compelled to become a peacekeeper after Dr. Gall and Dean Highbottom discover his cheating. A reunion with Lucy Gray and the involvement of Sejanus Slynt in rebel activities propel Snow into a web of secrecy, leading to a tragic altercation at the Hanging Tree resulting in the hanging of Spruce and Sejanus. Snow's guilt over Sejanus' death becomes a pivotal moment in his transformation. A desperate escape plan with Lucy Gray raises suspicions when Snow inadvertently reveals his past killings. The discovery of murder weapons intensifies the tension, and a snake-induced confrontation leaves Lucy Gray's fate shrouded in mystery. As Snow returns to the capital, a full-ride scholarship to the university awaits him. The film hints at Snow's future role in the Hunger Games, revealing his internship as a gamekeeper and his contributions to the creation of the victors' villages. Snow's complex relationships, including the oblivious Flint family, add layers to his character. A visit to Dean Highbottom unravels the origin of the Hunger Games, a drunken idea turned reality. Snow's innovative ideas ensure the games endure, marking the beginning of a dark legacy. The film concludes with a chilling act of revenge as Snow poisons Highbottom, setting the stage for the ruthless path he chooses. The absence of an end credits scene is compensated by a crucial voice cameo from Donald Sutherland, the original Snow. The film concludes with a haunting quote, "It's the things we love most that destroy us," echoing Snow's ominous descent into darkness. This line, added post-production, adds a new layer of complexity to Snow's character, emphasizing the betrayal that shapes his sinister trajectory.